to my channel. It's your girl. That's who I be. It's Gloria B. That's me. Sign me. Sign me. Stop playing. Sign me. Anyway, y'all, let's get into this video. I just want to say this is not a sponsored video. This company did not ask me to make a video. This company is not paying me to make this video. I'm making this video because I want to make this video. So I just want to say thank you to Good Molecules for sending me this package. They literally reached out to me. He was like, hey, we want to send you something. Cool. They didn't say nothing else. Like, I haven't even opened it. It's so nice. I love gifts. Like, I don't take that lightly. Like, thank y'all so much for sending me this. So it comes with a card. Thank you. It comes wrapped like this. First of all, let's talk about that packaging, baby. Packaging is everything. These are the products. They sent me some overnight exfoliating treatment. I'm big on exfoliation, y'all. Exfoliate. Y'all don't know how important exfoliating is, y'all. Like, that's crazy that people don't exfoliate your skin. I just want to see what it looks like. Why can I not pick this up? So that looks like that. So this is basically to promote brighter and fresher skin. They have everything on here. They have the whole ingredient list with how much percentage is in it. That's dope. I haven't used any of these either. So I'm not saying that these products, you know, I've used them. I'm just showing y'all what they sent me, and hopefully I can make a video in the future actually talk about the results, because I want to use it. Okay, that box is not closing. We have some discoloration correcting serum, which they sent me stuff that I said that I was having problems with. Discoloration, if y'all can see up there, I have discoloration, and I'm big on exfoliating, so they sent me that, and that's what that looks like, just like that. Excited about that. They sent me some brightening toner. I'm not big on brightening, but like for under eye circles and things like that, because I do have them. I have 2 kids. Like, they kind of come, you know, with the 2 kids, the dark circles. They do. And that's what it looks like. Y'all, they got it in the bag when it came down to these sizes. Like, I love how they have the ingredients on there, so you know exactly what you're putting on your face. So the last thing is this ultra hydrating oil. That's what it looks like. I'm an oil girl too. One thing I'm heavy on is exfoliating and moisturization, baby. We got to oil that face. So it comes in a little small bottle, which if you don't know by now, when you use oil, especially on your face, a little bit goes a long way. I'm really excited to use these. I haven't added any new products into my skincare regimen for a long time, so this will actually be new, and I'm so very thankful for them sending me these products. I'll be sure to use them, and I do want to give a video with the results later on when I do. So once again, thank you to Good Molecules. Y'all go check them out, and you know, get you some good skincare, because in 2023, baby, get you some skincare products, okay? That's what we doing in 2023. No, for real, y'all. Get y'all some skincare products, for real. So that's the end of my video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure that y'all subscribing to my channel, okay? Y'all already know what I'm finna say. Tell your folks them to subscribe to my channel, okay? Tell your little cousin that I got some skincare products. If she says she working on her face, she trying to get rid of them dark circles, she trying to get rid of that acne. Tell your cousin, all right? Hold on, my dog barking. I don't like that. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Bye, y'all.